Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering DCR key levels on the higher time frame. As always, our key level criteria is to look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So let's go ahead and start on the monthly chart. We can first notice a key level here. So we plot that in. As price comes down, we can see there's multiple reactions to this level here. So let's plot that in. As well, what do we see here? As price started out, we can see we have a swing low and price is approaching the same level. But we see a reaction right here. Notice the inverse long wick. And after the continuous red candles, we see a bullish candle here. So we're actually going to plot a level right here as it is most recently formed on the monthly. And we'll fine tune that on the weekly. So let's hop over. Now, what do we see? Let's start from our most recent levels and we can fine tune this level as the candle bodies are still above and we have wicks sticking out. Now, as price comes back up, what do we notice? Price reacted to this key level here. So we plot that in. Price came down and we see reactions happening at this level. Long wicks, and we see price going up, but initially broke through, and as price came back up, we see a reaction to that level. So if price holds this level, we can assume that when price reaches this level, we'll see another reaction. So there is not a lot of data that we can really plot on these charts. So to go into more detail, we'll have to go to the daily chart, but we'll leave that for another video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go plot these levels on your own chart, like the video, and subscribe for more.